Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Or why not visit us and buy your car in the traditional way? Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for a free valuation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01 332 58 5151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic BMW X3 for a little test drive. Keyless start on these, so foot on the brake, press the start stop button there, car fires up very nicely, slip the little joystick down into drive, and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Gearbox and accelerator feel really good. The suspension's riding the bumps on this country road with ease. Brakes feel nice. Steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. As you can imagine, with it being a BMW, it's a fantastic car to drive. And with it being an X3 SUV, it sits a bit higher up, gives you great visibility all round. If you haven't looked at the advert description, please do so, because the car's got thousands of pounds of factory fitted upgrades. I'll try and run through the ones I can remember. Hopefully on this video you're going to get glimpses of the panoramic glass roof. Really nice thing to have. It's a sunroof as well, lets in loads of light, but you can shut it off with the sun blind if you want to. Got the Pro Media system, so that's got the sat nav widescreen on there. You've also got enhanced Bluetooth, which is audio streaming, and obviously hands-free. You've got DAB radio as well as FM, AM and CD player, auxiliary in port, USB port, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. It's got the visibility package as well, which is the upgraded headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, automatic headlights, adaptive headlights, dual zone climate control, really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control as well, reversing camera. I think it's got access package, which is the power boot. So yeah, loads and loads of great features. So yeah, there we are. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.